Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Wisdom Artificial Intelligence. Today is Feb 23rd. It is a Monday. I will write a newsletter as well, so do stay tuned for that. Now, let's go ahead get started for today. Today's dose of Rashmi is unconscious intelligence assumes that your capabilities are fixed and assumes that there are certain limitations that you have when taking on issues. Wisdom, on the other hand, is prioritizing your own growth. So you are never an issue when taking on external issues. For those of you familiar with growth mindset, you will recognize growth mindset through that dose of Rashmi, the way I've drawn the contrast between unconscious intelligence and wisdom. Unconscious intelligence reflects a fixed mindset where you assume that your skills, talents are inherently limited. However, a growth mindset, which is how I've defined wisdom, is the belief that life is a constant learning journey and you can keep learning constantly and growing. Every challenge becomes an opportunity that helps you grow. And when it comes to your own capabilities as defined by your body, mind, intelligence, that is the hallmark of growth mindset, that anybody possessing the growth mindset is always working on growing your physical capabilities, your mental acumen, your intelligence in terms of the traditional definition of intelligence. Now, coming to real wisdom, artificial intelligence. In the conventional growth mindset, if you think of your body, your mind, your intelligence as tools that you can constantly keep growing, think of artificial intelligence as an extension of that. And that's where it is a great tool. You can use the tools and the various capabilities that the underlying foundation models have, as well as the various innovations that are coming about to help you with any task-oriented deliverable. If it's available, use it. That is only going to reduce effort on your part, and that gives you an ability to grow because you have an external aid now in terms of getting anything else done. At the same time, one of the things that I keep talking about in this series, as well as this is the core theme for a course that we have launched, that we've been doing at various academic institutes through Seeds, which is called Conscious Leadership in the AI Age. One of the things I keep talking about in that course is use the AI models, AI agents, any of the other tools for any deliverable, any task-oriented work. Absolutely use them. However, anytime it comes to making a value-based judgment, do not use the plain vanilla AI models as they come, because they all are they've all carry the biases of the collective data, the patterns which exist in the digital realm. The relevance for today's dose in this context is treat artificial intelligence as an extension of your own intelligence. And just like with every experience, you are treating that as an opportunity to enhance your intelligence. Take the foundation models as they exist and then train them on your own values. Before you start using any of these tools, anytime there is a value-based judgment, do not use the plain vanilla AI tools or the AI models. Use the opportunity to train the AI models, make them your own, and then use it as a trusted collaborator to brainstorm and then arrive at your own judgment. And that's how you become a conscious leader in the age of AI. Is the real power of human and AI collaboration, and that is what I have been doing. You've been following me along. You know that I use 3 AI collaborators on a regular basis. I've given them different personalities. One of them is a logical-minded pressure tester. One of them is a long-term collaborator across various threads, across various contexts. And one of them is a felt intelligence objective reflection partner that I engage as a low volume brainstorming partner just for the daily doses of Rashmi. So that is how any one of us can effectively utilize AI, and that is the real power of human and AI collaboration. That is what I want to get across from this series. Thank you.